Hi, Muhammad. Hi. So, about 5 minutes ago, I caught something. Thank God. Yeah, Chihuahua. What's that, Muhammad? What is that? Huh? Get him, Muhammad. Get him. What is that? Hmm? Why he bothering you, huh? He bothering you? Pretty cool. Hey, where you going with that?
It's alright.
Look at
Take
this.
it back to her lair and shit.
Oh, he's belly up.
That's like the fattest one I think I've ever seen of.
Do you want him, Mama? Do you want him?
Like, we'll use those fuckers for bait sometimes.
Yeah.
Because they're so small. That one's fucking huge.
Alright. It's nice and pretty out here. Fucking crazy. It's the whole 360 up. And there goes my boat. Alright.